Hi viewers, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll try to write a program to calculate number of days between two dates and print calendar for a given month and year. So here we have two subtasks in our task. So coming to first subtask, calculating number of days between two dates. So initially we are importing date function from date time, and we are calling a date function with yy m and td. So here we are calling date function using these parameters. So start date is 2022 April 1st and end date is 2022 April 16. So when these start date and end date are now having date variables. And when we use subtract operator on end date and start date, we will get number of days between these two dates. So number of dates between 2022 4/1 and 2022 4/16 is 15 days. So if you see here, we have passed our argument as and dd to a date function, but start date converted into 2022-04 and 01 format. Coming to the second subtask, to print a number of calendar days for a given month and year. So here we are importing calendar, and we are taking input from user on what is the month we want to print and what is the year, and we are casting it into integer types, and on the calendar we are calling month function to print month on year and month. So here user entered April month and 2022 year. So here it is 4 and 2022, and April month calendar is printed here. Let's try to execute this with a different month and see whether we are getting the correct output or not. So here it is asking for month. So I want to print for May, and year is 2022. Yeah, here we have month calendar for May month. So that's all for this video. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.